Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it and turn on your notification for future videos as great contents are on the way. Alright, in this video, I'm going to start how to create branch and how we're going to use them. This is going to be most important video in my opinion because you can use these branches in your single use for your projects and collaborate once with your teammates. Okay, let's start with a single use. I am going to create a new folder here, which is going to be named drawings. I'm going to use a different type of file. Let's open it. See the drawings. We are in. Now I'm going to create drawing file, and I'm going to use this file as a multi-use branch using. Okay, let's try to make a basic drawings. Actually, this is not a drawing, just a kind of diagram. Building plans. Alright, so just consider that I draw a plan here. Let's save it. Architectural plans. Alright, let's close it now. Perfect. Let's start our initial repository. Alright, it's done. Our git file here, and I'm going to add my GitIgnore. Because every time I saved my plans, there is a file created automatically by the software, and I don't want it every time to send the local repository. And start.bak files. Okay, perfect. Now let's commit our files. Git commit initial files are created. Alright, let's have a look our log. Perfect. Let's have a look our status. Perfect. That's clear now. Okay, guys. Now let's come to the branch. How we can use branch. I suggest you to use always branches to develop your project. For example, in this project we add a plan, right? So next step, I'm going to add sections, and then I'm going to add facades and the details. So I'm going to finalize the project. So how I'm going to add these additions? Should I use the main branch? No, it's not best practice. You should create a new branch, and then you can merge with the branches to the main, because always keep original and working project in the mains and do the changes in your development branch, or you can use another name. Okay, let's create a new branch now. I'm sorry, new no new, sorry, git branch. Let's create sections, because I'm going to create a section, right? Let's branch git branch sections. Perfect. Let's have a look at our branches now. As you can see, we have two branch. The first one is main, The second one is sections. So why it's green color? Because we are in this branch right now, as you can see here. So let's switch now. Git check out sections. As you can see, our branch has been changed. Let's add some features now. Okay, now I'm going to add another random things. Let's change the color with the red. Okay, let's save it. Perfect. As you can see, back file has been created automatically by the project. And let's have a look at our status now. Back file is ignored by the GitIgnore file. Perfect, it's working. Let's commit it now. Add and git commit -m sections are added. Perfect. That's clear. Now sections has been added. Let's go back to the main branch and have a look. What's the difference between those branch? Git check out main. Alright, now I'm going to open, we are in main now, I'm going to open the drawings. Let's see if there is any change here. As you can see, there is no section of section here. So this file is original file. Okay, now I did development in my section, and now I would like to bring those changes to main branch. So how can I do that? I'm going to use a command which is called merge. Git merge sections. Should I add a name? I'm not quite sure. Let's try like this. Yeah, I guess it's done. Git status. Nothing happened. Okay. Now we are in main now. And let's have a look at our drawings. I'm waiting. Here we go. Sections are here. Now we have sections in our main project. As you can see, we created files and we created a sections and we bring the changes to the main, so we can discommit both main and sections branch. Okay, perfect. That's clear now. Now I'm going to add facades, for example. Let's add another branch, git branch facades. Let's have a look at our branches. Yep, we have 3 branch. Now I'm going to switch to the facades. Alright. Let's do our improvements in our project now. I am going to add my facade here. Okay, let's save it. Let's close it. Git add dot git. I'm not looking status anymore. You should have used to, I think, commit -m facades are added. Perfect. Let's go back to the main. Check out Let's have a look our project again. As you can see, it's still on section changes. Okay, let's try to merge now. Git merge with facades. Yep, all done. We are in main now. I'm going to check the drawing again. As you can see, changes are here. So let's have a look our log. Alright guys, this is initial file created, and this is where we add our sections, and it's only in section branch. And this is our add our facades, and it is same changes with the main and facades. So what does that mean? What you understand? It means the main branch step by step taking changes from each branch, and each branch keeps their own changes like version 1, version 2, version 3. And just in case, I'm keeping as a branch. But also you can do something different. You can use just one branch, and you can use for you can use this branch as a just development. Let's try that one as well, and let's finish this lesson here then. Okay, let's clear here. Okay, let's go back now. I'm going to create a new folder. Just new. All right, we are in new now. Let's create a new folder. Sorry, new project. I'm waiting. I'm just gonna do random thing. It doesn't important too much. Just click the new file. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to add GitIgnore. As previously we did already this. That's because I'm not telling anything right now. GitIgnore done. Let's start our local repository. Git add git commit initial project. All done. Sorry guys. Okay, now it's ready to go. Now I'm going to create a branch which is called development. Git branch development, or you can just write div. Let's have a look our branches. As you can see, we got two branch. Let's switch to the other branch. Check out. All right, it's all right now. We are in development branch now. Okay, let's do the changes now. I'm going to add another circle. All right. Let's have a look our status. All right. Git add dot git commit features are added. Don't forget double dash m. All right. Let's go back to main and let's merge now. Git merge with dev. All right. We are in main and the changes should have been done. Let's have a look. As you can see, the second circle is here. Now let's have a look our log, git log, the initial project, and this is the features are added. This is the same um, with the previous project at some point. Now it's going to be changed a little bit more. I'm not create a new branch now. I'm going to use the development branch again. Git check out dev. Okay, I'm going to add a new feature now. It's up to you. It's up to you guys. I show you every type of development um, variety, and you can choose which one is fit for you. Third one is edit. Now let's have a look at our status. Yeah, we have a modified file. Git add dot git commit double dash m specifications are added. Alright, let's go back to main now. Git check out main, git merge with dev. As you can see, we are in main now. Let's have a look at our file. Let's confirm the changes have been done. Yeah, as you can see, the third circle here. And let's have a look at our log. As you can see, always development and main is same, and we have different and separate commitments. If you want to go back, you just select one and just go back the previous version. Both type is useful, but the previous one, if you feel like a little bit confusing, you can use this one. It's really good to go with this method as well. Okay, let's have a look how many minutes have been done. It's 17 minutes. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish this lesson here. If you like the video, please crush the like button, and if you have some questions, don't forget to drop comment below the video. Take care of yourself guys. Bye bye.